Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my Nutella chocolate chip cookie bars. So let's get started. I have a 9 by 13 baking pan. I have my oven preheated at 350. I have 2 packages of the Toll House cookie dough mix, and it's 1 pound 14 ounces each. I have 1 jar 13 ounces of Nutella and 2 packets of the Philadelphia cream cheese. They're 8-ounce packages, and I have it at room temperature. So what I'm going to do is take 1 package of the Toll House cookies and spread it out on the bottom. My 9 by 13 baking pan is ungreased. So I removed it from the package, and now I'll flatten it. You want to spread it as evenly as you can. And this is what it should look like. So I have it spread evenly. I'll place this off to the side. In my bowl, I'll place this whole jar of Nutella along with 2 packets of the Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'll mix that till it's nice and smooth. So I have this whole jar of Nutella in my bowl. Now I'll place the 2 packets of Philadelphia cream cheese in and then mix it until it's well combined. So I have my cream cheese and my Nutella in the bowl, so now I'll mix it. Now that it's all well combined, I'm scraping down the sides. I'll take this and spread it on top of that cookie dough. So now I'll scoop some out, place it on top of the dough, and then spread it evenly. As I'm spreading it, I'm covering the cookie dough underneath. That's okay if there's a little bit of like cream cheese that really didn't mix in good. That's fine. So all the corners are filled. It's spread evenly. So now I'll open up the second cookie dough. What I'm going to do is drop it by little pieces. So just spread it around. I'm just kind of crumbling it on. You can see I crumbled it on everywhere, filling in every little hole I could find. Now I'll place this in my 350-degree oven, and after 15 minutes I'll check on it to see if it's done. If not, I'll put it in for another 10 minutes. So into the oven it goes. It's been 15 minutes, so now I'm going to check on it. No, not quite done yet. So I'll put it back in the oven, and then in another 10 minutes I'll check on it. It's almost ready. It's been 10 minutes, so I checked on it again. I'm going to leave it in for another 5 minutes, so that'll be a total of 30 minutes that this will be in a 350-degree oven. It's time for the Nutella chocolate chip cookie bars to come out of the oven, so I'll turn my oven off. Oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look good? As soon as these cookie bars cool down, I'll slice them, give them a try. They really smell good. They're quick and easy to make too. Now that it cooled, I cut it into squares. So now I'll try one. That came out beautifully. Look at how nice that inside looks. So now I'll give it a try. I'll take a little piece. That's really good. Nice and tasty. That really came out good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking, and watch me make these Nutella chocolate chip cookie bars. Give them a try. They're really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.